So again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard with a 14 by 14 inch canvas, a little bit of leftover paint, a will to play, and no idea at all what I'm going to do, and I don't care. Put some white on there, put some spatula to it, grab the black. Where is the black? I know I had some black. There we go. Let's see what happens if I put some black in there. Gotta use my paint up. If I get nothing more than a base layer, I'm all good. If it's something more than that, fine too. And that was getting a little gloppy. Just gonna use my world's greatest, my OXO omelet turning spatula, which I believe is maybe the world's finest paint spreading tool. I can't imagine a better one. They're definitely on my Amazon link below the Linktree link. It's right under the video. That's going in the bucket. I am going to do nothing in particular. And see what happens. Because I can. Sometimes things work out quite well this way. I have no idea if that's going to be the case at this point. But I have wanted to play fast and loose with paint for a while. I think that's some black enamel. This is some Anita's white metallic. I may just leave whatever I get, however I get it. I like that little thing in the center that's colored. I'm going to knock off my spatula. I thought I might use an acetate card, but I don't think so. I got some pretty cells. I could definitely use the spatula as some sort of tool, other than it is to just make marks. I'm just going to keep wiping off. That was not part of the plan. Okay, well. That didn't get shaken today. Oh well. Let's see what happens with it now. Oh, I got some good cells. I'm just going to keep picking up whatever's on my tile and pushing it onto the canvas. I kind of like that mark in the middle, or I would change it, and I think I'm going to have to change it, and I don't want to. I'm kind of interested in using some purple to cover where the black is not covering completely. And my finger. Black and purple. Let's just put some purple over there. Okay, one side covered. I'm just going to keep playing until I get something more of what I like. You know what I like? I like some of this red opal and more of the color shifting flash from Deco-Art. There's no rules right now. I could do basting brush, I could do chain, I could do nothing at all, and chances are good I might do nothing at all. I could certainly use different tools, but I love the feel of my spatula in my hand, and I think I know what I was looking for. There it is. That is not coming out quickly today. I kind of like the dribbles, actually. I kind of like to keep my bottles out of my way. I have some other purple that I like, and it's actually coming out. The question is, do I want to change it? I want some different black. I want some black that actually comes out of a bottle. I think that's my Prussian blue. Could have sworn I covered this side, and mostly it looks schmutzy. Alright, so I have to decide what to do with that center. Maybe if I don't think about it too much, it won't be a problem. Let's go for... That's got paint on it. Not yet. Aha. We're going to hope for the best. I haven't tipped anything. Not happy with that yet. Not hating that. Kind of thinking about some chain. Kind of got all kinds of beautiful paint right on my spatula. And most of it went right over the edge. Let's just think about this for a minute. Bonus video. Probably on Phoenix Rising. I'm throwing that in the bucket so I don't use it again, and I'm going to grab some chain. Whoa, that's a really big piece of chain. That's too big, in fact. And then I'm going to grab some white pearl. And something else. That's not coming out. That's not really coming out either. So I'm not hating that at all. Not at all. Kind of think I want some of those colors right there. Maybe the only way to get them right there is to actually put them right there. It'd be so nice if some of that would come out. That made me want turquoise. It's a very abstract piece of art, and I don't mind. I do like the little white bits in there. I'm quiet because I'm focused. I'm quiet because I'm channeling. That kind of made me want some of the enamel. I'm going to try some of that enamel with some of this Deco-Art color shifting purple flash. I like this blue. I don't like that line I have. Pretty happy with a lot of that. If the paint is thinner, then I can definitely use that blue. And I'm almost done. I'm pretty sure I'm going to stop myself. I can hear you. Ooh, that's good up there. Alright, that's more abstract than a lot of things recently. But I kind of like that about it. That's not even true. Not even. I really wish that paint would come out of there, but may be a good reason it shouldn't. I'm just going to draw with the chain for a little while. Yep, I'm liking that. This chain's a little stiffer than I want it to be. I think I'm done. It is what it is, and I am done with it. And I should tell you guys, thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for the wonderful comments you leave me. Thank you for contributing to keep me painting since 2018, to keep me on YouTube. I appreciate that. If you could do me a huge favor, you could watch the videos longer because I'm losing my ranking. The average watch time on a 18-minute video is 6 minutes and change. So if you want to be kind, that would be the way. Just watch longer, let it run. Maybe watch a few commercials, who knows? Check my Teespring clothing underneath the video for all over print leggings and t-shirts. And look for Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Totes and More Facebook group, which has the Shop Now button, which will take you to Fine Art America and Pixels.com, where there's like 1,400 items. What is that thing? It wasn't a thing, it was just a little tiny piece of paint. Alright, so this is pretty fast and loose. Probably don't really need a whole lot of torching. I got some pretty cells right in the middle, here and there, and everywhere. And I'm happy with it. So I love you guys. There's almost 87,000 of you, coming up less than 200 away. What else do I want to tell you guys? What am I... Whoa, I almost threw that in painting. I have over 1,360 videos. If you want to look for more videos, they're organized by playlists. My dogs are hunting rabbit again. I wish they would not do that. I'm going to look for any paint that I can find anywhere to touch up my edges. Anyway, so where was I? I was telling you that there are playlists and Teespring and pixels.com and Fine Art America. There's also the paint pouring recipes underneath the video. I'm probably going to go around the edges of this and find some colors that are similar and just stick a little color there. Dog, you're distracting me. It's really hard to figure out what to say while your dog is right next to you on the other side of the baby gate that's keeping him out of your area. Oh, that was a thumbprint. Well, I can cover this without you guys here, for sure. And they're, now, no, you guys, there's two of them. They're tag teaming. That's not cool. All right, so thank you for the thumbs up. I said that. What else? What else is there? There's not much else. The Amazon link has shopping. If you shop there, it's at no added cost to you and it helps me out. On the end screens of every video, there is an exhibition video. On that exhibition video, it will share with you whatever the prizes are in the monthly drawing. The monthly drawing is for people who use PayPal and Patreon to contribute to help keep the studio rolling. So, I love you guys. I hope to see you again. Check the community board or our Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group on Facebook for tomorrow's video. And if I see anything like that, I'm going to put a little spiral in there. And we're good to go. I'll see you anon. Whatever I forgot, you'll see in another video. Check Phoenix Rising, Priscilla Batzell art. Well, there's still no commercials before it's gone. I love you guys. I'll see you later. Bye for now.